Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about top 6 simple tricks to get back to sleep fast. It's actually normal to wake up a few times a night, but if you're struggling to fall back asleep, you're not alone. About 1 in 5 people deal with this, known as sleep maintenance insomnia. Instead of stressing or staring at the clock, try these tips to drift back off. 1. Don't watch the clock. Turn the clock away and avoid checking your phone. Stressing over how much sleep you've missed can make it worse. Plus, the light from screens can keep you awake. 2. Get comfy. Use the bathroom if needed, adjust your bedding, and make sure your room is cool and dark to help you settle back in. 3. Tend to health needs. If pain or discomfort is keeping you up, follow your doctor's advice on managing it at night. 4. Relax. Try tensing and releasing different muscle groups to ease tension. Breathe deeply as you go through each one. 5. Get up if you're still awake. If you're tossing and turning for about 20 minutes, get up. Sit in a comfy chair, read, or listen to calming music. Avoid stressful activities like work or paying bills. While reading, it is important not to stay in bed so your brain and body not associate bed with wakefulness. 6. Stick to your usual schedule. Don't sleep in or nap the next day. Keep your regular bedtime and wake up time to get your body back on track for better sleep. By following these steps, you'll improve your chances of falling back asleep tonight and set yourself up for better sleep in the future. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.